In this video, we conducted an experiment in which we tried to prove the endowment effect. A formal definition of the endowment effect would be an emotional bias which makes a person value a certain object higher than its original worth. Or simply put, when you own an object, you think it has more value than the same object would have if you did not own it. This might be because people give these objects some kind of emotional or symbolical meaning. However, this could also occur just for the sake of owning this object. This is due to the fact that this particular object is more connected to the self than any other random object. And because it is more connected to the self, people think it is more important, and therefore they value it higher. In our experiment, we interviewed 50 people, where we asked them how much they would value a normal pen. Half of them owned the pen and half of them didn't.
Well, yeah, you have this pen. This is now your pen. And how much would you sell it for to someone else?
This pen,
Yes, this pen. It can, if you do have to, it doesn't have to be realistic.
€1.
Well, okay.
I'm going to give you this pen, alright? You can keep it. Now, I want to buy it from you. How much would you ask?
€1.
€1? Alright. If you wanted to buy this pen, right? How much would you be willing to pay for it?
5 cents, I guess.
5 cents? No. Alright, that's it.
How much do you think this pen is worth? It doesn't have to be realistic.
Euro.
€1?
Yeah.
After interviewing 50 people, we calculated the average worth of the pen for the two different groups. For the people that owned the pen, this was 62 cents, and for the other half it was 56 cents. This is a 6-cent difference, which points in the direction of the endowment effect. However, in this box plot you can see the distribution of the measurements, and you can see that the two groups are very similar. Both the minimum value, 5 cents, and the maximum value, €1.50, are the same for both groups. Also, the median of both groups is the same, 50 cents. It could be that in this experiment, the participants didn't have enough time to become attached to the pen, and that therefore the endowment effect does not show. Therefore, from this experiment, we cannot conclude with certainty whether the endowment effect exists. When only looking at the averages, the people that owned the pen valued it slightly higher, but when looking at the distributions, no real differences can be found.